name is Azim from class 5th B, and today we are going to do the experiment making a volcano in a bottle. For the ingredients, we have a empty 2-liter soda bottle, some dish soap, white vinegar, warm water, white vinegar, and some baking soda to make the baking soda slurry, and some food coloring if you want to add color to your volcano and make it look more attractive. As the wind is going on, that's why my bottle is falling. So let's start the experiment. Now the first thing you have to do is pour 100 ml, about 10 ml of dish soap in the bottle. Now, after you have poured the dish soap, pour 400 ml of white vinegar. After this, pour 2 drops of food coloring. If you want to make your volcano colorful, it is not compulsory to put food coloring, just for the color. Food coloring is just for the color. Now mix the mixture well. You will see this is the output of mixing the mixture in the bottle. Now pour 100 ml of warm water. The ingredients which you have poured in the bottle, keep them aside because the volcano will get messy. Now pour in 100 ml of warm water. Now we have to mix it again. And for the final part and the most fun part, take your baking soda, pour warm water in it, and now mix it until it gets white like this. Now let me take out the spoon to mix. Now pour the baking soda slurry into your volcano and get away because it's about to get messy. As you see, the volcano has started erupting. Did you like the experiment? I also loved it. Thank you. And this is how you do the experiment making a volcano in a bottle. It will continue erupting. Bye. Thank you.